The difference between a home demo and a radio-ready hit isn't the gear you record with, it's how you treat the vocal in the mix. Today, we're taking you into the advanced world of vocal mixing. Welcome back to Series 2 of the XMP Artist Academy. I'm your guide to the professional sound. We've covered the basics. Now it's time to talk about the elite techniques used by the world's top engineers. Achieving that expensive vocal sound is a game of precision. Let's break down the 3 fundamental pillars of an advanced vocal mix. Point 1. Parallel compression. Top engineers don't just compress the lead vocal, they blend it. By smashing a duplicate vocal and mixing it underneath the original, you get thickness and weight without losing the dynamic life. Real studio insight. Use a fast attack and slow release on your parallel track. This keeps the vocal right in your face through the entire song, giving it that professional authority. Point 2. Harmonic saturation. Digital recordings can often sound cold or thin. Adding subtle distortion or saturation brings out the overtones, making the vocal sound warmer and more harmonically rich. Real studio insight. Saturation acts like a glue. It fills in the sonic gaps in your vocal and helps it sit inside the instrumental rather than floating on top of it. Use it sparingly. Point 3. Surgical de-essing. Harsh S and T sounds are the biggest giveaway of an amateur mix. Advanced engineers use multiple de-essers to tame these frequencies before they hit the final compression stage. Real studio insight. Don't just slap a preset on. Find the exact frequency where your voice is harsh and cut it surgically. This preserves the air and clarity while removing the pain. When you combine these 3 pillars, parallel compression, saturation, and precise cleaning, you get that glossy sound that fans expect from their favorite artists. Here are your actionable steps. First, set up a parallel compression bus for your lead vocal. Second, add a saturation plugin to your vocal chain to add warmth and harmonics. Third, use surgical EQ to remove harsh frequencies before they hit your compressor. And fourth, always mix at low volumes to ensure your vocal balance is correct. In summary, precision mixing is about layering your processes: parallel compression for weight, saturation for warmth, and surgical EQ for clarity. That is the radio-ready blueprint. If you apply these advanced techniques, your music will immediately move into the professional league. Never settle for a good mix when you can have a great one. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for the rest of this advanced series. Improve your sound, improve your career. I'll see you in video 2.